Good morning, world. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you unboxing of InsaneLabz stack for the chainsaw challenge. The chainsaw challenge is a 9-week challenge that I'm participating in which I'm looking to sculpt and demolish my body and lean it out as much as possible. So I'm going to unbox the products that I have here that are the stack that I'm going to be taking. Alright, so let's get it going. A little hard to open here. Make it tough to open. I gotta get a tool because this thing is difficult to open. Alright, got a putty knife. Here. Alright. See what we got. The great thing about InsaneLabz is they always drop you goodies inside the bag. Alright. So, let's see what I got. Alright, so I got pure calcium HMB from the Asylum. From the Mad Chemist. This is lean muscle mass that you take prior to the workout. I believe you take 2 capsules daily. Next up is a called Psychotic Diablo. It is an amp infused thermogenic. Okay, it's eyeberry. It's a weight loss thermo. Not that I need to lose weight, but it helps with cutting and sculpting when you're working out. Got a dope lanyard. Got another wristband. Let me zoom in on that. It says join the asylum. InsaneLabz. So this is pretty dope. I mean, even though it passed already, InsaneLabz, Judgment Day, January 16th. So because I ordered around that time, profits from the sales on Judgment Day are donated to the Carter Grace Foundation, benefiting children and families in and around their community. Check out cartergracefoundation.org to learn more. Alright, so it's pretty dope. Send you a little card talking about Judgment Day. Love the stickers that they have. Yeah, buddy, what? It's gonna be a short video. They sent me samples. Psychotic Diablo. I think I got 2 of them. Yep. So, 2 samples. And then, what I love this one. This one is Insane Veins. It's a vascularity powerhouse. And the thing that I love about it is it's non-stim. With my anxiety and stuff like that, I can't take stimulant products. It just gets me even more amped up. So this one is non-stim, which is great. And I used it yesterday during my chainsaw challenge, which was leg day and then arms at the end. And I could see my veins like popping, you know, because I was working the muscle a lot. So it was dope to see, you know, the vein map, so to say, on my forearm. So 2 samples, Insane Veins. Can't go wrong. Alright. Put that there. Put that there. Alright. So I got the infused pre-workout powerhouse cherry bomb flavor. Pre-workout. Alright, I don't really take pre-workout too much. but sometimes it does help me. I got Fruit Punch, larger flavored Insane Veins vascularity pump right there. Boom. You got that gold top. Yeah. Look at that. Alright. Getting so excited. Then I got the Strength Size Power Gains Creatine Monohydrate. Alright, it's pure creatine monohydrate. Dopeness. Oh, and I got, looks like actually a magnet, I think. InsaneLabz. Dope. Like magnets, can't go wrong with that. And last but not least, the delicious lean muscle building protein. My favorite flavor. Look at that. Chocolate peanut butter. So with this, you take 1 scoop, 12 to 14 ounces. And this can be taken, I mean, usually I take it as either a meal replacement or I take it post-workout. So that is what I got. This is my stack. Hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, any comments, be sure to leave your thoughts. Wish me luck. Wish me luck in the comment box below. And I will be posting progress. I'll be posting live videos. I will also be posting my results at the end. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Catch y'all later.